Creating a calculated field in a dashboard. Come to your dashboard menu, click on Data Sources. Here you'll see all the fields available to you. Click the top right hand corner, Add Calculated Field. Give your calculated field a name. You can specify the database type. Then we come through over here. This is a list of all the different fields available to you. Constants, functions. So here are some inbuilt functions: aggregate functions, datetime functions, logical, maths, string. And we have access to operators, your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here are an example of some calculations. The first one is a string concatenating the customer code and customer name. We have an if statement with the month to return the sales figures, and just a simple sales less costs. Once you've done that, you hit save. And when it's saved, you will see over here it's added in our calculated field. It is always designated by this little symbol.